So here's how to add Razorpay payment method on Shopify. But before we start, if you want to try out Shopify for free, click on my link down in the description. First up, let's open the pricing page in a new tab. Here, you can view all the available plans that you can choose from, but you can click on my link to try it out for free. So once you're logged in, go to the left panel and click on Settings at the bottom. Here, go to Payments. Click on Add Payment Method in the Supported Payment Methods section. Go to the search bar and type in Gcash. Then, select it from the results. After that, go to Credit or Debit Cards and e-wallets. Now, click on Install as shown. You should also note that the availability of third-party payment gateways will depend on your location. And that's it. You can now easily add Razorpay payment method on Shopify.